Hello students, welcome in chemistry chapter number 2, matter around us pure or not. In that we try to separate solute and solvent. Okay, so by different technique we can separate solute component from solvent. One of them technique is evaporation. So how this evaporation take place, that we will discuss today in our activity number 2.4. So separating of the component of mixture. Mixture is as two component. First one is solute and second one is solvent. Solvent means more amount. Okay, the amount whose component is more in the solution, that is known as solvent. Second, the amount which is less is known as solute. In dye, okay, how to obtain color compound, that is dye. From ink, blue or black ink is there. In that we will observe the component, which are the component. Before going to dyes, in dyes or in ink, there are two components. First one is the dye and second one is the solvent. That is volatile. Volatile means what? Vaporize fast. And non-volatile means what? It will not vaporize. So we will try to separate non-volatile component and volatile component. Again, the compound which is vaporized on heating, that is known as volatile. And the component which is non-vaporized, if you heat the mixture, crystals remains as it is. Okay, NaCl salt, that is non-volatile. And organic compound, petrol, diesel, okay, all organic compound, that is volatile compound, it will vaporize. Water is also vaporized. So water is volatile but NaCl is not. So here we take blue ink or violet ink, fill half beaker with water. Okay, fill half beaker with water. So in this beaker you put the water. In that you put the watch glass on the top of the beaker. Add few drop of ink on the watch glass. Heat the beaker with the burner. Evaporation of water will start. So after few minutes evaporation of water will take place first and it is converted to vapor form. This vapor will hit the ink. Okay, blue ink will hit it and it tries to vaporize the component, that is solvent. So heat the water beaker, evaporation of water and evaporation of solvent from the ink start. The residue left after few times, so heat for 5 to 10 minutes. The residue which is left, that is nothing but the crystals. Okay, that is the crystals. Solute particle will influence by method of evaporation a volatile compound. Solvent first it will vaporize and the non-volatile compound, that is dye. Okay, organic dye will remain as it is as a residue on watch glass. So on this watch glass residue component will form. Now we discuss how to perform this practice. Okay, now we start activity. This is the dye, okay, or ink. Ink, I am taking few ml of ink. Okay, blue ink I have taken in the watch glass. In that watch glass I have taken the blue ink. Now I want to separate. So I will do evaporation. This is the burner. Okay, this is the burner. This is the stand. In that wire gas, here I have taken water in the beaker and I will put the watch glass. Okay, and try to heat it with the help of burner. If I heat it, first this component is in liquid form. Okay, dyes or ink, it is in liquid form. and try to heat this. When we light the burner, it will evaporate this water. Water will evaporate this ink, and after few times, if you heat it, this solvent from the ink will vaporize and residue will obtain. Okay, solvent if you heat for 10 to 15 minutes, okay, vaporization stops and crystals of dyes will appear. You can see the crystals of dyes appear. So we can separate these dye crystals from solvent. Okay, this is the ink completing. I will vaporize it. It vaporized, then we get the pure solvent. So this component is non-volatile. This ink containing both solvent and solute. Solvent is vaporized and solute which is, so we can separate this dye, red color dye, blue color dye or black color dye from the ink by this vaporization process. Okay, you try to note this activity in your notebook and write inference as I provide from the book. Okay, one photo also I am sending. You write this in your chemistry notebook. Okay, thank you.